Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. English workshop Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Warming up. First question. Indian women who have made it to international levels in sports and games. Discuss the following points about each of them. Name of sports person, sports or game, level reached, outstanding achievements, awards, prizes, titles. First, PV Sindhu, badminton, international, Olympic silver medal, Commonwealth silver medal, Padma Shri 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Second, Sakshi Malik, freestyle wrestling, international, Olympic bronze medal, Padma Shri and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Third, Anjali Bhagwat, rifle shooting, international, world number 1 in 10-meter air. Champion of Champions Award, Maharashtra Gaurav Award, Arjun Award. Geeta Phogat, freestyle wrestling, international, winner of first ever gold medal in wrestling in Commonwealth. Arjun Award, Dangal Girl. Mithali Raj, cricketer, international, captain of Indian women cricket, outstanding batsman and bowler. Arjun Award. Next, fill in the table. Name of sports or game, place where played, individual or team event, sports equipment. First, boxing, ring, individual, boxing gloves. Second, lawn tennis, grass court, both individual and team, rackets. Third, football, rectangular field, team event, shoes and ball. Fourth, chess, indoor, individual, chess sets. Fifth, badminton, ground, both individual and team, racket, shuttlecock. Sixth, golf, golf course, individual, a golf club, stick. Second question, complete the interview with an imaginary captain of ladies cricket team of your town, city or state. Interview, interviewer J. Prasad, JP, captain Vijeta Bhide, VB. JB, good morning. We are simply privileged and delighted to have the presence of the captain of our state women cricket team, which won the final of the interstate series in Mumbai last week. Hello Vijeta, welcome to our show. JB, what inspired you to enter this field? VB, I used to watch Sachin Tendulkar's play. He is my role model. He inspired me to enter this field. JB, when did you get entry in state team? VB, I participated in inter-school matches, intercity matches and Ranji matches. My performance was outstanding and I was selected in state cricket team. JB, that's great. Who supported you? VB, first of all, our physical education teacher came to know about my talent in cricket. She motivated me. My parents also gave me rock support. My friends and my relatives also support me. JB, how do you keep yourself fit? VB, I prefer nutritious food. I avoid junk food. I exercise every day. I also manage my stress during matches. For that, I practice yoga. JB, what are your future plans? VB, I focus on my performance. I want to enter our national team. I want to become captain of Indian cricket team. JB, all the best for your future plans. We are sure that you will definitely become a captain of our team and make us proud. Thank you for being here and giving us candid interview.